Assalamu alaikum everyone and good evening. Welcome to the Hybrid Soft. As we have already discussed registration and linking of our domain with our hosting services. So today I am going to show you how you can install WordPress on your own website. So first of all, we will see what is WordPress. Actually, WordPress is a open source software for blogging or website building, or even you can use it for CMS. CMS is a content management system and manages some users and their contents. So to install WordPress, there are two options. Either you can go to your control panel, select option of Softaculous, and you can choose WordPress and install it. There it will ask some user inputs like your protocol you want to choose for your website, your domain name, I will choose hybridsoft.ml, and the directory in which you want to install. For example, if there is written WordPress, then the WordPress CMS will be installed in hybridsoft.ml/WordPress WP. But if you want to install directly in your hybridsoft.ml, then remove this content and leave it blank. Next thing is your site name and your site description. Just write down your site name and your description here. Enable multi-site feature. It is a powerful feature, and if you are all alone for your web blogging, then leave this unchecked. Next thing is admin account. Just type in your admin username and password for it, whatever you like to choose, and mention your administrator email address. The next thing is select plugin. Actually, they are offering a pre-installed plugin. If you want to install it, then choose it or either leave it blank. After that, there are some advanced options. You can edit your databases from here, but if you are newbie in installation of WordPress, then leave this thing blank and do nothing to it. Select your theme, your default theme, and proceed for installation. Here is the one way to install WordPress on your site, and it is quite easy for everyone. But I am going to install WordPress on my site using wordpress.org. Here from I will download WordPress 4.4.2. and then proceed my installation. After downloading latest version of WordPress, just go to your control panel and set up database. Just click MySQL databases, enter your database name and click create database. I have already created my database for my latest installation, so I am going to proceed for its configuration. Open up the WordPress zip file and choose WordPress config -sample.php and copy it somewhere you like. After extracting it from the zip file, just rename it and remove sample. Now it will be WordPress -config.php. Open it with some editor. Now here you will see some attributes like database name, user, password and host. What you need to do is copy your information from your web panel, your control panel. Like here is MySQL database name. Just copy the whole name and paste it where it is asking for the name. Username, your password for database, it will be same as of your control panel password, and choose your database host and paste it instead of localhost. Save this file and then move it to WordPress zip, like I have already done it in here. Now go to your control panel select free FTP software and download any software you like. For personally I use FileZilla for Windows. Download FileZilla client, recommended client. After installing your FTP client, just open it and type in your details. Your details will be mentioned in your account, like here are my FTP details. So I am going to quick connect. Type in your host, your username, your password for cPanel and just connect. Now you can see your whole directories here. I am going to install my WordPress in hybridsoft.ml, so I am going to access its directory. Open up htdocs and upload your WordPress, your modified WordPress zip here. Do not upload it anywhere else or it will not show up. It is saying htdocs, there might be www or public_html depending on the hosting services you are using. So as I have already uploaded my zip here, so I am going to unzip it through online FTP, because if I start doing it from here it will take more than a day or more than enough time. So I am going to install it using online file manager. I will access my hybridsoft.ml directory, its documents, choose the WordPress and choose unzip. Now it will ask me where I want to extract the target directories. As it is by default on the same directory, so I am going to proceed. It will take some time to extract. Well, it has been extracted and it is showing all the packages file it is extracted from that zip. So go back. Now here are some directories named WordPress. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to select all and move them to the previous home directory, or it will be considered in hybridsoft.ml/WordPress. I'm going to remove this /WordPress, set all target directories and then proceed. Well, my files are moved already. There is nothing in WordPress, so I am going to delete it. Now my WordPress files are available, but they are not installed because they are not directly connected to their databases. So to connect them directly, we are going to our domain name. And it will show the installation procedure. We are going to choose our language, site title, its username. I'm not going to use admin. Its password, automatically it has generated a strong password, but you can edit it. I'm going to unhide it and proceed. Email address, and install WordPress. It has WordPress has been installed successfully, and now I can log in. Well, here is my admin dashboard, and if I choose to see site, here is my WordPress site. So next time we are going to discuss some plugins and appearance settings. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.